Alright guys, today on Street Level Reality we are in Copenhagen, Denmark, specifically Nyhavn, and we're going to take a little stroll through. Just want to show off the water feature here. We got some harbor buses as well as some other sightseeing boats here. This is an interesting looking area here, these buildings. Got the little coffee cart. And as you can see, Nyhavn is a colorful waterfront district here in Copenhagen, Denmark. Super touristy. If you're coming to Copenhagen, you're going to be here. Check out all these nice colorful buildings here. But instead of focusing on the tourist, we'll see what they do here. It's one of the world's highest ranking cities for quality of life. We'll see why. Two beers for $1.10. Might be why that quality of life is up there. Or maybe this liter of sangria for $1.75. Well, $30. Alright guys, Nyhavn translates to New Harbor. Completed in 1600s, is a busy commercial port. Centuries it is filled with cargo ships, sailors, taverns, and warehouses. Many of those have been converted into bars, restaurants, cafes, expensive apartments overlooking the waterfront. It's approximately 660,000 people, Copenhagen, with a larger metropolitan area being about 1.4 million. Denmark itself has a population just under 6 million people, making it one of Europe's smaller countries. Some age demographics: approximately 18% are under 18, 64% are working age, 18 to 64, and 18% are over 65. A lot of bicycles here, that's for sure. A quarter of Copenhagen's residents were born outside Denmark. Large communities include residents of Sweden, Germany, Poland, Ukraine, Turkey, Pakistan, and the Middle East, as well as other European Union countries. And income. Denmark consistently ranks as one of the tops in Europe, averaging around 778,000 USD. I wish I was trying to say 700 there. That'd been a little excessive. They do also have high taxes, but that includes health care, higher education, publicly funded. We'll go look at this water here. See a lot of these wooden ships. Housing is one of Copenhagen's biggest challenges, especially here in Nyhavn. Apartments in central Copenhagen often run approximately 1 million to 1.8 million US dollars. As far as the cost of living, this is one of the most expensive in Europe. With a restaurant meal run you between $27 and $45 USD. That's before your drinky drinks. I know we mentioned the bikes earlier, but over 40% of commuters travel by bike on a typical day. The city also has metro, S-trains, buses, and harbor ferries, so most residents do not need to own a car. It does rank as one of the safest cities in the world, with violent crime relatively uncommon. This is quite crowded for your boy, especially walking around here, trying to do a little filming and talking. People are everywhere. Take a little detour off the main path, see what it looks like down this way. This is better for getting away from people. All right, guys, final thoughts on Copenhagen. Would you come here? Would you live here? Housing costs significantly higher than you might believe. Was that a good trade-off for the safety, public services, and the quality of life? Could you see yourself living in Copenhagen? Let me know down in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button. Like the video if you liked it. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.